This is a lovely morning, everybody, and welcome back to our weekly market analysis where we talked about what we mentioned the previous week and where we expected the market to revisit next. Before we proceed, a quick shout out to our new subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family, and thank you for being part of us. We shall all grow together. So I don't want this week analysis to be lengthy. So a quick run on what we discussed last week. As today is 10th of March 2024. Today is March 10th, 2024. Yep. Now, the analysis we'll be making or we'll be talking about will be for 11th to 15th of February. Oh, sorry, of March. My bad. Now, a quick one. What we discussed on dollar index, dollar index is our bellwether, is our baseline. So, with dollar index, with the right understanding of dollar index, it will be much more easier to navigate every other market. Before we proceed, let's check our calendar. This is forestfactory.com. This is the calendar segment of the page, forestfactory.com. So the coming week we run through if we have an high impact news, when we have an high impact news, and how do we work with the high impact news. So on Tuesday we'll be having core CPI, which has to do with US dollar. We will have 10-year bond auction. On Wednesday we'll be having an high impact news on GBP. On Wednesday we'll be having 30-year bond, treasury bond on auction. On Thursday we'll be having another core PPI. The first one was core CPI. Now we have the PPI, the retail so we have on employment claim. That is that day will be what? Will be brutal. Don't tell anybody I told you. It will be what? It will be brutal. But if you know how to navigate the market, there's no brutality about it. You will scale it, you will scale through. The best thing is to stay out of the market if you don't know how to navigate the market. Your mentor, your guru might not tell you. That is when your mentor or your guru will say, okay, go in 10 standard lot size, and the next tick or the next beep, your account was taken. So that is that. Then on Friday we'll be having Empire State Manufacturing Index and prelim. Now back to our charts. After of last week, that was on the 3rd of March 2024. I said it. The video is still on this YouTube channel. No video has been deleted, and no video will be ever deleted on this YouTube channel. Now, on dollar index, I said it as of last week that the market is just to tip its hand into where it's heading to and how it's gonna get there. But if I should see something, I will do something. That was what I said. I said if I should see the market obeying this fair value gap, the moment this fair value gap keep acting as a what? As a support for the price, I'll be bearish. But if the fair value gap gives way to the upside and acts as a resistance, I'll be what? I'll be bullish on dollar index. Then I said we'll be watching the market giving us this low here, the low of this candle, which was delivered beautifully on Wednesday. It was delivered beautifully on Wednesday with this move here. So this low was targeted, then 103.088 was also what? Was also called, which was traded to on what? On Thursday. With this, it was traded to on Thursday. Then if you look closely to your left hand side, I marked somewhere there. There is a movement. Okay, let me do this. I marked the low of this candle and the high